Hi everyone, welcome back to Gedo. Today we will show you how to replace the charging port flags on the Samsung Galaxy A12 mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the phone and take out the SIM tray, and followed by the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, create a gap near the SIM slot or charger port using a picker or car pry tool. Insert the car pry tool and gently move around the phone to release the plastic clips on the frame. Be gentle when taking out the back cover. The fingerprint sensor is attached to the back cover. Next, take out the logic board cover by undoing 6 screws. And then disconnect the battery and fingerprint plugs. Now the back cover unit can leave from the body. Next, move to the bottom and take out the board cover by undoing 7 screws. Next, take out the not working charging port board by disconnecting the LCD plug and the antenna head. Next, place the new charging port board in the body, and then secure the LCD plug and the antenna head into the board. Next, place the board cover by adding 7 screws. Next, connect the battery and fingerprint plugs into the board, and then secure the logic board cover by adding 6 screws. Finally, snap in the back cover and run through the sides to secure the clips. And also, do not forget to add the SIM tray. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide, and let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.